bedroom, sleeping room. One family, one complete family sleeping. And
पहली बार सुना है बोगी बिल्कुल नहीं है। चलो यस।
ਬੋਲੀ ਪਾਉਣੀ ਐ ਰਕਾਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੀ, ਬੋਲੀ ਪਾਉਣੀ ਐ, ਬੋਲੀ ਪਾਉਣੀ ਐ ਰਕਾਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੀ, ਨੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਨਾਰੇ।
testing by scientific method by radiocarbon dating is 700 BC, 2700 years old figures. Look at the top. This person is musician, wood drum taps instrument uses. Middle side gents is group dance. One female and male couple dance. Complete point. So this types caves. Prehistoric. Then this is a looks like a dining area. Summer or raining eating food. And then this is God gifted natural duplex. Ground floor, first floor, top floor.
एक नया दिन नई वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। गुड मॉर्निंग एंड सत श्री अकाल टू ऑल। तो दोस्तों आज हम जा रहे हैं भीम बाटिका की तरफ। भोपाल से जो सड़क जा रही है जयपुर की तरफ, जबलपुर की तरफ, वो सड़क पे आगे 46 किलोमीटर तक जाकर ये भीम बाटिका आती हैं। ये बहुत ही बढ़िया केव्स है, बहुत पुरानी केव्स है और ये वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज प्लेस है। काफ़ी टाइम पहले इसे 2003 में इसे वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज प्लेस जगह मिल गई थी और उसके बाद यहाँ हम थोड़ा रुके हैं, राइट टर्न ले लिया, जहाँ से नियर अबाउट 3-4 किलोमीटर है भीम बाटिका। तो ये हमारे ड्राइवर भाई साहब हैं। क्या नाम है भाई साहब? सूरज जी हमारे साथ। आज गाड़ी है 5651 इंडिको CS। और आपको अगर गाड़ी की बात करें, यहाँ गाड़ी हमें मिली 10 रुपीज़ पर किलोमीटर के हिसाब से है हमारी गाड़ी। शाम तक 1-2 पॉइंट और देखेंगे और नियर अबाउट 3000 में आपको गाड़ी मिल जाती है यहाँ एक दिन में। गाड़ी अच्छी है, स्पीड अच्छी है, सड़कें अच्छी है और ये रास्ता ये तो बहुत खूबसूरत है। देखते हैं ये, हाँ ये देखिए एक्सरसाइज चल रही है मॉर्निंग की। वेरी गुड। ये देखो ट्रेन की धुन पे एक भंगड़ा हो रहा है, स्पेशल भंगड़ा है। ये देखिए ट्रेन की स्पीड के हिसाब से ये भंगड़ा तेज होता जाएगा और स्पीड के हिसाब से स्लो भी हो जाएगा। आवाज़ के हिसाब से सारा सेट किया गया है। स्पेशल भंगड़ा आप इसे कहते हैं। डीजे के गानों के तो सभी डालते हैं, लेकिन पहली बार सुना है बोगी बिल्कुल नहीं है। चलो यस। लिखा है भीम बाटिका सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया। तो यहाँ से ये स्टार्ट हो गई, मेन है जो आपको आगे दिखाते हैं। जो रास्ता जा रहा है वो कुछ ऐसा है, थोड़े थोड़े पत्थर है जो स्टार्ट हो गए हैं और मुझे लगता है ये रास्ता इतना बढ़िया नहीं था पहले। जब ये वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज प्लेस में आ गया तभी ये रास्ता अच्छा बना हुआ है 2003 के बाद, लेकिन अब सड़क अच्छी है। ये ड्राइवर भाई साहब हमें बता रहे थे कि आगे कोई गांव वगैरह नहीं है, बस ये स्पेशल रास्ता भीम बाटिका जा रहा है। इसका मतलब ये जो पूरे जंगलों में थी और इसका आसपास कोई गांव पहले नहीं था और ये पूरा डीप जो पहाड़ी होती है वहाँ है। ये पूरी श्रृंखला है पहाड़ियों की, उसके बीचों बीच चलेगी। तो यहाँ अच्छी खासी पार्किंग बनी है और ये इसके बारे में थोड़ा लिखा गया है, मैं आपको पूरा बताऊंगा। और उसके बाद ये एंट्री है और बहुत बढ़िया ये देखिए गेट बना है। इसको लुक है जो और लुक देगी है सभी चीज़ों को ना, जैसे ये शेल्टर बने हैं बीच में, रेस्ट हाउस कह सकते हैं।
big body animal figures. Animal body looks like a mammoth, but mammoth is not a bulbul India. Mammoth only Russia, Siberia, Ice Age. So this is a long tusk Indian elephant. Elephant rider early man, iron weapons used to hunting, and backside elephant rider early man is a bull hunting. Bull figure is geometrical, same type of Warli painting. Testing by scientific method by radiocarbon dating is 2300 BC, 4300 years old figures. but next shelters figures 5 to 10,000, something 30,000 years old rock painting, and human activities 100,000 BP. So site is prehistoric. History is lower Paleolithic, upper Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic, historical, or at a modern human. Early people to tribal people. And Bhimbetka the jungle, I am repeat. In the jungle core area, 56 plus tiger and deer, tiger, panther, bear, wild boar, fox, hyena, cheetal, chinkar also. Come sir, slowly. You said. So, ma'am sir, in the jungle, thousand shelters and caves. So, this caves, Bhimbetka's biggest and largest caves. Early period, this caves used in early man before hunting and fighting is group meeting. So, name is auditorium conference hall. Only name. Come. This is a early people man-made activity, only man-made activity, draw by microstone tool. So, sir ma'am, this caves, Bhimbetka's biggest and largest caves, early period, this caves used in early man before hunting and fighting is group meeting, auditorium. So, auditorium is figures is Mesolithic period, middle sides early people left hand figure, deer figure, bull figure, and top geometrical design peacock, and right one early people means chain links. Chain links means this caves used in early man before hunting and fighting is group meeting. So, name is auditorium conference hall. Bhimbetka's rock painting made by 4 types of colors: white, red, green, and yellow. So, white color made by limestone, but no more time limestone. So, limestone plus bonding clay, natural gum, tree gum, and then red color is a hunting animal blood plus soft gustone hematite. But man logic, property of stone, sandstone be sedimentary, but scientifically prove this rocks is color absorb. This rocks is color absorb. And Bhimbetka in unique site India, other countries similar site European country, Lascaux city France and Altamira city Spain. Okay, so sir take care. So sir ma'am, in the period of 1973 to 85, around the jungle excavation, 4-meter deep, earth 8 different layers excavated, different time of period tools and weapons, lower Paleolithic tools 100,000, chopper tools, chopping tools, middle Paleolithic tools 40,000, hand axe, clever scraper, middle upper Paleolithic is 20,000, scraper warrior wearing, Mesolithic is 10,000, blade point Neolithic, and Neolithic is 2,500, sailed pig. Total tools are collected in State Museum Bhopal. Reason sir, this is a jungle, the part of wildlife sanctuary. So museum is not permission, so total material collect in State Museum Bhopal. In the capital of Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal is 3 museum is very well, State Museum, Travel Museum, Mankind of Museum. So preserve in State Museum Bhopal. Some one is a explore in human skeleton found in the jungle, preserved in Pune Deccan College. Reason, before 1985, state of Madhya Pradesh, matlab capital of Madhya Pradesh, not a testing lab in this area. So preserved in Pune Deccan College. So, sir, ma'am, please, you use in this pathway. This pathway is very better.
In which department?
Archaeological Survey of India, sir.
15 years.
हाँ जी.
You belong to Pawal?
Yes, I am local. Average age 450 year. 450 crores years old. Under the sea, this site 71 crore. Reason, this rocks is 71 crore years old. So before 71 crore years old, the part of Bhimbetka under the sea, under the Tethys Sea. So underwater period water erosion, and after water level down heavy wind erosion, shelters and caves converted. And then your knowledge, Sir Charles Darwin theory, in the earth, human started earth in 40 million years ago without tail monkey chimpanzee. Reason, our 98.5% genes is matches. So this is our common ancestors. Evolution to last stage, Homo sapiens sapiens 35,000 years ago, managed brain is developed. So rock painting means pictographical language started in world 35,000 years ago. Before 30,000 human is no communication language. This is the first script in the world, pictographical script.
Great. पहले लैंग्वेज नहीं था.
हाँ जी. So, ma'am, sir, next shelters figures is the entertainment, group dance figure, fightings related figures in the jungle. So, wild animal figure, deer, wild pig, etc. And then one shelters maximum number of wild animal figure painted. So, name is Zoo Rock. Zoo means collection of wild animal. Okay. So, ma'am, sir, these shelters natural formation of rock looks like mushroom, sheep type. Inside number of figure is 550, 550. What UNESCO team visit in 2001 before declare World Heritage Site. Bhimbetka declare World Heritage Site in 9th July 2003. Some figure faded and overlap 252 different kind of wild animal figure. So name is Zoo Rock. Zoo means collection of wild animal. Look at the top, mammoth type elephant, white color. Time period 28,000 BC, 30,000 years old. Elephant, elephant rider, early man, stone weapons used to hunting. In the parallel, spotted deer, the part of deer, cheetal, leopard, elephant, buffalo, deer, barasingha also. And sir, ma'am, slowly in the middle, Mesolithic period figures. Early people using pet animal, farming start, right one understood to the hunting, and in the bottom, red color figures, horses figures. Your knowledge, early period, no horse available in India. Horse came India in Central Asia, Persia. So mostly early people using elephant riding purpose. But after horse came India, elephant with both horse. Many wild animal figure. So name is Zoo Rock. Ma'am, sir, around the world, total UNESCO site 1199. In India, 42, included in your Dholavira, Gujarat, Harappan civilization. In Maharashtra, Ajanta Ellora. In the south, Hampi and your Mahabalipuram. And 3 state of Madhya Pradesh. Khajuraho is very famous, 1986. Sanchi Stupa is a Buddhist site stupa, 1989. And then Bhimbetka recently declared in 20 years before, 9th July 2003. So, ma'am, sir, Bhimbetka famous in rock painting, nature beauty. Every shelters and caves looks like a different view. So, next is one natural form looks like a total form. Millions years ago, the part of Bhimbetka under the sea, under the water, the part of Tethys Sea. So, ma'am, sir, underwater period water erosion and after water level down heavy wind erosion, shelters and caves converted. Prehistoric man using this sites. Same time, someone is a natural form convert. So this type, this is not a complete, but you in the upside, my right hand side, this types, one natural form rock looks like a turtle rock. Come here, slowly, slowly.
Trying to get her to.
Yeah. Slowly, slowly. Sir, come here. So please, everyone, take photo. This natural formation looks like a tortoise, but this is natural form, no man-made. Only figure is man-made. So right one face, backside tail. So this is a total view, viewpoint, sir. हाँ सर, ये व्यू पॉइंट है सर. हाँ, बोथ साइड, लेकिन हमें इस तरफ का ज़्यादा बेटर है. ये पीछे को उस तरफ में टर्न है ये. ओके सर, यहाँ पे आओ सर. हम लोग यहाँ से फोटो लेंगे जी. हाँ, सर कम है. सर कम here. So everyone, first you take a photo. Madam, come here. So these shelters and this position looks like a loin open mouth, but this is a natural form. And inside some red color figure, painted rock painting, time period 3rd century AD, 1700 years old figures. Actually, three types of art developed this area. Gond art in very famous in state of Madhya Pradesh, Madhubani in Bihar state, and Worli in Thane, Maharashtra. And Thane and Palghar, same Maharashtra and Gujarat border. Okay. So right one, horse decoration, decorated horse rider, early man is Gurpreet king, backside is soldiers go to the hunting. And right one, peacock, flying birds, hunter is sitting off hunting position. So time period 1700 years old. So yeah, so we seen the white and red color figures, and then next shelters figures green and yellow. So green and yellow, flowers and leaves colors, madam. So please.
So why these numbers are
Yeah. This is a survey number. Actually, in the jungle, thousand shelters and caves. So this is a Bhimbedka 38 number. Is a numbering. So please, every person mind your head. Think painting. This is a rainwater fungus algae, not a washout. Reason, this is a property of stone. Sandstone with sedimentary, but scientifically proved this rock is color absorb. So absorbing the color. So ma'am sir, early people lived in the shelters and caves. So Mr. Wakankar sir is imagination modern life period. Modern life period, house room is divided, bedroom, dining, kitchen, etc. Only imagination, not real. So this types caves, prehistoric man, bedroom, sleeping room. One family, one complete family sleeping. And then this is a looks like a dining area. Summer or raining period eating food. And then this is God gifted natural duplex. Ground floor, first floor, top floor. Shelters figures green and yellow. So green and yellow, flowers and leaves colors. Madam, Paleolithic area is 100,000. Stone Age, madam. Stone Age. And then later 12th century AD. So 12th century AD, 800 years before, only tribe people. Gond, Korku, Saharia, Bega, Bhare also.
विमल जी इसका अंदर कुछ नहीं है ना, ये देखो
उसमें कुछ नहीं है, वो गुफा में आप गए थे ना, उसी टाइप का है। You look out here.
Yes. Yeah. Reason, This region is this site is 5 p.m. 5 o'clock is closed. Okay, so ma'am, sir, this is looks like a bedroom natural window. Look at the top, white color, mammoth type elephant. Time period, Upper Paleolithic, 22,000 BC, 24,000 years old. Elephant rider, early man is group king. Back side is helper diagram, hunting discussion. But lower side figure is very recent, 12th century AD. This is Arabian horse figure. Ma'am, sir, your knowledge, 11th century AD, Muhammad Ghauri Ghazni period, Arabian horse came India. So this is 12th century AD, Arabian horse figures. And this is flower pot. In the jungle, tribe people use in flower pot. Yellow color vase, green color leaves, white color flowers. And 9 yellow color shape depict of fruits. Fruits means dry fruit in the jungle, kandamul, etc. And sir, in the left, green and yellow. This is ladder. Early people use in ladder. Green and yellow fan, yellow color stick, tribe is in hand fan. Early period, the part of Bhimbetka is Gondwana land. Gondwana land Penji, the part. And the later period, someone is a tribe people in here in the jungle, Gond, Korku, Saharia, Bega, Bharia also.
You are saying horse came only in 1200 AD?
No, it's in India, actually horse came is the first time is Alexander period, Sikandar, 4th century BC, 2400. And Bhimbetka's rock painting, 2200 years old. Next is Varli art figures. But this is Arabian horse. So Arabian horse came India in 12th century AD.
Okay.
So this Ashwamedh Yagna and all this is false.
This is Ashwamedh Yagna, Ramayana, Mahabharata period is Ashwamedh Yagna. But sir, Ramayana, Mahabharata is a not actual period. Is in the Indian period is Mahabharata is 5,000, 5,500 and the Ramayana 7,000 to 10,000. But in India is proof. First time Alexander attacked in India. So Porus is no horse, only elephant. This is a backside area of bedroom. Look at the top, white color tree. Tree left hand side, tree branches sitting of peacock. Very light figures. Reason this barricades in few years before. So local people touches, scratches, painting and die. In the middle, one enters tools to the hunting. So hunting, fighting, gathering, entertainment also. So board say Bhimbetka being part of Ratapani Wildlife Sanctuary, these include tiger, panther, bear, wild boar, fox, hyena, cheetah, chinkara, all over animal available in the jungle. So, sir, ma'am, this is an example of natural grafting. Two different kind of trees. Is a black color is a kari, okay, and then second tree is connecting papla. So papla botanical name is Gardenia latifolia. So, ma'am, sir, early period this type shelters. This is a hanging rock, but early period something rainwater protected, not 100% waterproof. And second logic, during excavation, this areas, madam take care, this area, madam may I help you? Okay. So early period, during excavation, some recently tribe people utensil and animal bones found in this area, preserved in Pune Deccan College. So this is suppose early people kitchen, but figures depict of fighting scenes. Basically, early people life is natural life, jungle life, only depend hunting. But after civilization, population is growth, small groups divided, so sometime fighting start. So this soldier is surrender, two hand upside, okay. This soldier is surrender after the fight defeat, two hand is upside. This soldier sitting off elephant spears to attack. Two soldiers both side fighting and total figures is fighting scenes. But figure is overlap, superimposition, generation to generation overlap. So in the jungle, Madam, 30,000 start to 12th century AD, 16 different kind of generation overlap figures. So ma'am, sir, we seen the hunting scenes, fighting scenes, gathering scenes, but not entertainment. So next shelters figures, someone is a warly art figures, gond art figures, and then happy ending entertainment figures. So hunting, fighting, gathering, entertainment also. Slowly. Madam, slow. Ma'am, sir, these shelters rock painting depict of period of Mesolithic periods. But 99% painting is gone. Local people destroy. My right hand side, red color, is a horse rider. In the right one, small, sun, crab, wild chicken, tiger, and then left, hunter and wild chicken figures. So we seen the hunting scenes, fighting scenes, gathering scenes. And then next shelters figures, someone is a warly art figures and entertainment figures.
Hunting है नहीं fighting
Sir, one more. So these shelters rock painting depict of warli art, very famous in Thane and Palghar, Maharashtra and Gujarat border. My left hand side, twin reverse triangle types horse method, the part of warli art. Horse rider, early man, different types weapons used to hunting. This is group hunting method used in dangerous animal, lion, tiger, etc. 2nd century BC, 2200 years old figures. In the middle figures, local people destroy. On the top, 6th century AD rectangle. So rectangle and triangle, the part of Warli, Gond art in straight line figure, and Madhubani's complete figures. So ma'am, sir, we seen the hunting scenes, fighting scenes, gathering scenes, and then happy ending, entertainment. After the hunting celebration, festival types. Sir, these shelters rock painting depict of entertainment. After the hunting celebration, festival types. Systematic. My left hand side, someone is a wild animal figures. Buffalo figure, deer figure, on the top, bull figure. So first generation depict of wild animal, wildlife, and then second generation connect to the hunting. In the bottom, animal rider, early man is group king, backside is soldiers, go to the hunting. And after the hunting celebration, festival types. Look at the top. This person is musician, wood drum taps instrument uses. Middle side, gents is group dance. One female and male couple dance. Complete point is celebration point. Testing by scientific method by radiocarbon dating is 700 BC, 2700 years old figures. And my right hand side, one hunter sitting off tree branches. Before hunting, one red color animal watch. Sir, this red color animal looks like a wild pig.
Deep south, Kanyakumari, no?
हाँ कन्याकुमारी
Yeah, near.
रामेश्वरम साइड
No, south of Rameshwaram.
वो कौन सा माता है
Madurai.
मदुरई
Madurai.
मदुरई
From
साइड
Madurai to Kanyakumari.
कोडेकनाल साइड
Yeah, that is Tirunelveli.
Yeah, Madurai, Kodaikanal.
That's
Kodaikanal
why
is the
that
hills.
due to flood we changed our plan.
Oh,
I
you were
see.
supposed to go there.
we want to go to Bangalore then and Bangalore to Chennai.
Oh, you are travel tourist
Yes, tourist.
department or
No tourist department. We are on tour now.
okay.
Uh,
Like us.
this is he is in education department
Oh,
as a lecturer, math lecturer.
okay, okay.
I just retired recently in last January
Oh, okay.
as joint director agriculture,
Oh, very
Punjab State of Agriculture, Punjab and Farmer Welfare Department.
We started Jyotirlingam. We went to Omkareshwar, Mageshwar,
आपको भी
Indore,
जाना ही है
and now we are doing this. Then Bhopal tomorrow will go to Sanchi and
Today we are going to Sanchi Suta. Today,
yeah,
going,
we are going Sanchi and Udaygiri.
today we are covering Sanchi, Udaygiri.
Right. You are driving on your own?
No, are you hiring car, taxi
Sam.
at rupees 10 rupees per kilometer.
Okay. We
Near about we will cover 300 kilometer today
okay.
and toll tax extra and parking extra from side.
Enjoy.
हाँ
ओके थैंक यू
ये बोली नहीं थी बात करो
हाँ पा दूंगी पंजाबी बोली
ਓ ਬੋਲੀ ਪਾਉਣੀ ਐ ਰਕਾਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਪਾਉਣੀ ਐ ਬੋਲੀ ਪਾਉਣੀ ਐ ਰਕਾਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਨੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਨਾਰੇ ਨਾਰੇ ਨੀ ਬੋਲੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਖੂਹ ਪਾੜ ਦੋ ਮਟਿਆਰੇ ਨੀ ਮਟਿਆਰੇ ਉਹ ਜਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੁਣ ਕੁੜਦੀ ਬਹੁਤੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਣ ਕੱਢਦੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿਸੇ ਸਕੀਨਣ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿਸੇ ਸਕੀਨਣ ਘੁੰਡ ਚੋਂ ਅੱਖ ਬਚਾਣੀ ਖੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਨੀ ਬਣ ਜਾ ਗਿੱਧੇ ਦੀ ਰਾਣੀ ਖੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਨੀ ਬਣ ਜਾ ਗਿੱਧੇ ਦੀ ਰਾਣੀ ਖੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਨੱਚ ਲੈ ਨੀ